Hello, and thank you for your interest in our open enrollment program. Please take the next 3 minutes to learn what's wrong with health insurance, our solution to save you thousands of dollars per year and give you more benefits. 75 to 100 million Americans are now uninsured. The Obamacare rate increases of 2018 will drive more and more to be uninsured as each month passes. Rising deductibles make it unaffordable to even use these plans. Zero benefits can be used until a deductible has been met. In some cases, doctor visits and prescription drugs aren't covered until you've spent more than $7,000 in out-of-pocket expenses. What if something serious happens? Can you afford to continue making a $1,000 plus premium payments every month, all while having to shell out $15,000 in deductibles and out-of-pocket costs? Especially if you're unable to work. 1 million people each year have a heart attack. Another 1 million suffer a stroke. 1.5 million people have a new diagnosis of cancer. And 9 million more end up in the ER because of an accident. The good news is, individuals and small businesses can now join large group plans through associations. By doing that, you now have tremendous buying power on your side. Your premiums come way down and your benefits go way up. You probably do this already, or at least have heard of it in other walks of life. Businesses like Costco and AAA operate this way. Until recently, it hasn't been available for individuals with group health insurance. Typically, you can expect to save at least 50 to 60% compared to the individual plans through Obamacare, just by being part of our groups. This is a true PPO program where you can go anywhere. You won't be limited by shrinking networks that control what doctors and hospitals you can visit. Our plans have no deductible, and in many cases have doctor visit copays as low as $5 for your primary doctor. Dental and vision will always be included with no waiting periods and no limit on how much you can use the plan. What really separates our programs from plans you have had or seen before is the coverage for the big things. The reason we should all be buying insurance. I mentioned the numbers of people that have heart attacks, strokes, come down with cancer, or end up in the ER due to an accident. Our plans make it so you won't be stuck with an enormous bill should any of those happen to you. In fact, most of the time, you won't have any out-of-pocket cost whatsoever. For heart attacks, strokes, and cancers, you'll have up to $250,000 in your pocket to stay home. You might be saying, "How is this possible?" or "This seems too good to be true." It's simple, really. We're able to offer these great plans and benefits to you by getting multiple companies involved in the process, each one with their own specialization. Insurance at its most basic principles is about risk management and the exposure to the insurance company. By having 3 or 4 companies involved in your plan, the amount of risk that each company takes on comes way down, and so do your premiums. Ever heard of the old saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? Well, guess what? It works for insurance too. Thank you for your time. We look forward to you being a valued client for years to come.